Use care when removing the HMI lamp from the package. It is recommended to wear clean gloves when handling the lamp, as accidental skin contact can deposit oils or dirt on the quartz, which can lead to early lamp failure. Use only a well-maintained fixture and corresponding ballast. Prior to inserting the HMI lamp, inspect the lamp holder for any signs of tarnish or corrosion, as this will compromise the electrical connection and lead to premature lamp failures. In case of accidental contact, use the included cleaning cloth with gloves to wipe down the quartz before use. If not available, use a clean paper towel with rubbing alcohol. To ensure optimal lamp performance, please make sure the current bar is oriented at the top. When inserting the HMI lamp, avoid touching the reflector. After inserting the lamp, verify that it is fully seated in the lamp holder. Lock the lamp into the fixture. Check the power on the ballast before startup to ensure it is configured for full power. Do not start the lamp at a lower power. Always allow the lamp to come up to full temperature before shutting the fixture off. Between use, store and transport the lamps in the original OSRAM packaging. Don't install lamps with visible damages like bulging, blackening, strong devitrification, broken shafts, loose burner inside the outer bulb, etc. Don't install lamps with a higher wattage than what the fixture is rated for. Don't transport the lamps inside the fixture. Don't use lamps beyond their average rated lifetime.